All right, so check this out. So not only is it a mini travel or mini carry-on, it's actually a phone charger too. MagSafe, you can plug that in right, you can slap it right there. It is wireless charging. I believe it gives you like maybe 10 or 15, but even still, it's just gonna be like a nightstand for you. You can charge it this way or you can have it full screen. Now I kind of like having it this way. If I'm gonna watch something at night, it'll act as a phone holder if you're gonna watch anything. The next thing that it also does is you can charge your wireless headphones there. Take this off and you see it's charging right there. But wait, there's more. You come over here and it's a little hidden compartment just like that. And now you are charging your watch. So you can have your watch, that, and that all charging. So it's a perfect little carry-on. Slip it into your backpack, does not take up that much space. I think that's probably the best thing that I love about this is a carry-on. I mean, look at this. It does not take up hardly any space, like a knuckle width. That's what I'm looking at. And so you can slide that into any side pouch, front pouch, anything like that, and it's good to go. And you got yourself a little tiny carry-on. So isn't that awesome?